How to log in into Canara Bank account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into your bank account of Canara Bank. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards any of your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here and in the search bar type Canara Bank. After that, hit the enter key. At the top, you will see the official website of Canara Bank. Simply click on it. Then after you will be directed toward the home page of it. Here, firstly you need to choose the language in which you want the interface of the website. I have chosen English. After that, in the right corner, you will see the option of net banking login. Simply click on it and you will be directed toward the login page where you need to provide your email and password. And that's it. That is how easily you can log in into Canara Bank account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.